Hello and welcome to another episode of RS Glamorous channel. And in this video, I'm talking about sheet masks. Yeah, sheet masks. I previously did Sheetmask Haul from the brand of Tonymoly, which is a worldwide, a well-known brand. And I have previously shown the videos on avocado seed masks and also a red wine seed masks and many of the seed masks. What it does on my skin type, I shared my experience with you guys, and in this video I'll be talking about the seed masks from again Tony Moly, but this is a variant called Caviar. So I'll be talking about the caviar and what it does to your skin, and also about the seed mask experience I had this time after using this product. So let's get started to this video. First of all, talking about the packaging of this product, because I have already used and you can see on my skin. So I'll be talking my experience with this. I have already used this and there is nothing inside. So this is a packaging which I'll just show you with this gray color packaging, and this is a caviar. Basically caviar is extract like a source of vitamins and minerals, extract antioxidant properties to protect skin against dangerous UVA and UVB rays. It also moistens the skins from intensely and also like rejuvenates the skin, remineralized or regenerates the skin cells. You can basically say it is something which is very good for your skin, a skin nutrition. Now this is nutrition variant, so obviously the nutrition variant will give you the nutrition and the pulpiness, the suppleness, the elasticity of your skin as it claims. So basically the caviar is, so talking about caviar is a food that consisting of salt cured and roe of fish. Now this has been extracted like the fertilized or the unproduced, if I say, if there is some word like this, the unproduced eggs of fishes, and this is a non-veg product. And if you're someone who is allergic to fish, and if you're someone who is allergic to non-veg food items, then disclaimer, this is a non-veg food skincare product. Now those roes or the caviars, or the caviars or the eggs, you can say in simple language. So thus it contains a lot of good source of vitamins, minerals and good ingredients, so to build up a newborn fish. So in that case, this comes from the extract, and you can see this all has been salt cured, and then they have some processings which personally I don't know, but they process it nicely. And then this product, the extracts from there, the nutrition has been extracted from there, and this product has been made. So if you're someone who is a fish lover or fish eater, or someone who eats fishes, so you will definitely be knowing when sometimes when you get the fish piece, the belly fish or piece of the fish which has been cooked, and you see there is eggs present inside the belly, and you also eat them. So that eggs has been used here as the nutrition part of this, and then the skin like for giving the good ingredients of the skin. Now fishes, we all know fish oil, fishes intaking are too good for our health. Fish oils are really good for our skin elasticity and works as an antioxidant. It also works great for our digestive system. Talking about fishes in some other videos, but in this video I'm talking about this Pureness 100 Caviar Masksheet or sheet masks from Tonymoly, and will be sharing and showing you how I use this product, and also what are the benefits or the side effect that I felt after using this product. So this were like the starting. So let me just show you the video clip of using this product. So this is the packaging of the Tonymoly, typical Tonymoly packaging, as you can see over there. And here it is written the Pureness 100 Caviar Masksheet, and this is of the caviar variant and has the nutrition variant. So as they mentions their nutrition, that means it will be something that will give nutrition to your face to make your skin healthy. And this is a cotton one, and this is a Pureness 100 series. As previously I have already done a video on my favorite, like the hauls of this Tonymoly sheet masks, and here there were two different categories, and this is the Pureness 100 and this is a cotton, 100% cotton. The sheet masks inside is 100% cotton, and as you can see there, everything is written in Chinese or Japanese, like. And basically what I can understand from here is this is 21 ml, and you can see
the way of like the procedure or the direction of use. Here you can see the manufacturing details, and also that June 2019 and is rupees 200, and has expiry is May 2021. And it says that tear open and apply to the face, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes and then remove. The mark sheet is made by non-bleached fabric which contains cotton seeds. So previously I've used Pureness 100 like this variant, and I've also shown the avocado one and so many of sheet marks in the videos previous. So you will get all the links in the I button of there, and also in the description box below. So there you can see in the sheet marks inside there is blackish dots, or it looks like a blackhead. So those are nothing but the cotton seed residues. And so they say skip for 20 to 30 minutes, but I usually keep it for till it dries completely on my skin to get all the benefits of this product. The ingredient list, as you can see over here, is water, glycerin, butylene glycol, and so many good components: xanthan gum, arginine, caviar extract 100 ppm, uh, disodium EDTA, perfume sodium hyaluronate, and dipotassium glycyrrhizate. It also says the caution that for external use only, avoid contact with eyes, keep out of reach of children, discontinue use if you see any sign of rashes or irritation in your skin. So it has a recyclable packaging, and else nothing is given over here. So you have a symbol over here from where you need to cut off it. So cut this from the side, so and you have to peel it off. You have to take out the sheet marks from inside, so I'll just do that. While you're like cutting this, you have to be very careful about one thing, that the serum inside in which the seat marks is dipped is not cut, or the seat marks is not cut. So you have to push everything out in the lower button side of the packaging, and you have to cut from the top. And you can see I have already cut off the top side, and inside there is the liquid and also the seat mark. So you just have to open this, take this out, and open this and apply on your face. See, I have removed all the makeup from my face, and I have just shown you the packet, and I have cut it off to apply it. I have removed all the makeup from my face. I have also applied a good face wash to clean it nicely so it doesn't leave any residue on the skin. I have washed it nicely with normal water, and now I'm going to apply this caviar sheet marks. So it comes out like this. Be very careful that it falls like this, serum soaked in this falls. So remove all the hairs from your face, and then just go on fitting all over your face. And the excess serum which will be falling from the sides, you can just take them like this and apply them on the neck nicely, so it also get the nutrition and your serum is not wasted. So give a good tap all over your face so the seat mask is nicely attached with your skin. Okay, there is a fold, make sure there is no folds like this, so the residues like it is falling the serum over the neck. You just go on massaging. It is better to sleep after applying this, sleep in a straight position, because the serum tends to fall all over, so it will be better. And you can also like relax using this serum, close your eyes and relax for at least a good 15 to 20 minutes. And for my skin type, I have oily skin type, so for my skin type it takes about, like here it is recommended that for about 20 minutes, but for my skin type it needs a good 25 to 30 minutes of for drying it nicely. So I'll prefer you all guys, if you're wasting so much money on the serum, on the seat marks. So the serum has all the benefits, not the seat marks. The seat marks just soaks the serum and that applies on lips on your skin. So make sure you dry it completely to get all the benefits of this, because it costs really high above like 100 rupees is something you should get all the benefits of that. Yeah, then let me just go and lay down, just relax. It's about 25 minutes and my marks has already been getting out from my face, and the face feels really having that brightening effect. And whenever I use the sheet mask, mm, I can feel that effect after I use it. So I'll just massage all of the serum into my skin now, because I don't want to waste the serum. So you should always massage the serums of the sheet marks whenever you are moving peeling off the sheet marks. So everything is good. I'm feeling little sticky and little of the like a little heaviness on the skin, like after applying a 2 coat of serums will be like after when you apply 1 coat of serum you don't feel so much heavy on your skin, but after applying 2 coat of serum I feel that so that I can feel with the sheet marks. So discard the sheet marks obviously because that is of no use now, and give a good dab all over your face so that the skin soaks the serum, and keep this into your skin the serum for at least for next 10 to 15 minutes. That will be better. And if you can keep it for a longer period of time, like for an hour or two, that gives you a more benefit to make your skin more supple, smooth and soft, and give all the nutrition in your skin. So I'm going to keep it for next 1 hour at least, then we're going to wash it off. So I just like the result of this. It gives some brightening effect. I can also feel that the spots are really reduced. I can feel a great difference in the forehead, because recently, because of little of the little of sunny days, I think I got some tans all over the forehead from last a week going to college, and I also have the sports in the college. So I think for that I got some tans, which is very nicely removed by this, and I'm really liking this. Do get, and I can also feel the soft and suppleness of the skin, which they claims like this was the nutrition version, and they says that this nutrition will make your skin supple, smooth, give you that elasticity. So there nowhere was written that it will remove the tan also, but it removed like Sigma does so much good serums for a long time on your face, does a lot of benefits. So I really like this Tonymoly. I have previously done Tonymoly other sheet marks reviews too. So if you're interested to see all those, you can check the I button and in the description box below. And for me, this Tonymoly Caviar Masksheet or sheet mark, this is the nutrition version, which I feel that really gives that nutrition and that pulpiness and youthfulness on your face, and you can feel that on my skin. So it gets a 9 out of 10, and I'm cutting the 1 marks of this because this one, the pureness 100 um, variety, has 100% cotton um, sheet marks into them. And this when I'm applying this, I feel a tinklish feelings and also itchiness on the skin for about, I felt this time, because cotton sheet marks you don't feel that, but I felt that for about 10 to 15 minutes where I'm cutting the marks 1 mark. So it gets a 9 out of 10. So I'm really liking it. I'm looking forward to purchase it again.
As you can see, also I do have done some makeup over here right now. So basically it, I felt it gave that suppleness of the skin and suppleness that gives a feel of having a gold like a healthy skin, a pulpiness and some elasticity in the skin. Now I also felt somewhere that while using this product, the smell of the product will bother you a lot if you're not someone who loves fishes so much. I am a mediocre, like I don't hate them, but I also don't like have that crave of having them every time. So I felt that the smell might be a little irritating for some people, but it works really nice. Yeah, the claims they have, it really works very nice. So this is a one-time use. One time you can use this. The pricing of this is rupees 100, and the ingredient is too good. And as this says here, yeah, the manufacturing of this is May 2019 and the expiry is May 2021. That means it has a 3 years of shelf life. So the pricing is 100 rupees, and the manufacturing details are also given over here. Else everything is written in some other language. And 21 ml is the content of the serum inside it. In the serum you get basically the nutrition from caviars, or the ingredients they write. And the seed marks is just made of cotton, that is the written 100% cotton, so you won't be having any irritation. Last time I used a red wine seed mask from Tonymoly, which is not this cotton sheet marks, that actually gives you some irritation in your skin and gives that English feelings. But if you're using someone who has sensitive skin type, and you are someone whose skin is very sensitive, then or it is acne prone, then you should go with cotton sheet marks. It will not harm your skin, and if you have any rashes or acne, it will not have side effects, and you won't feel that tinklish feelings which you have with synthetic seed masks. So whenever you are using their nowadays having a lot of seed masks came out from Pond's, also Garnier also, so many brands are coming up with a lot of seed masks nowadays because it really works. Now do make sure that if you have sensitive skin type, you go with only cotton one. Don't use any other. So I don't have such issues with my skin, but yeah, I do have some acne issues, so I try to go with cotton always. So yeah, that was all the reviews of this product. I feel this really works on my skin, and I'm definitely hoping to buy it again because the nutrition factor as they claims are really good. I also use the nutrition from avocado one, so I feel that this works more better than the avocado. Meanwhile, avocado is one of my favorite ingredient, and I love having avocado. I love having avocado in any of my skincare haircare products. So in that case, saying that very sadly, but I felt this works much better compared to avocado. Yeah, that was all for this video. If you felt it a little helpful, then please hit on the like button. It encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable contents for you. Do share it with all your friends. Do comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any of the video contents you wanted us to make. Do subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon beside it, and don't forget to click on the all notification button on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our videos. And that was all for this video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy, and bye bye.